I think the biggest barrier is the information barrier. People don't know what is out there as far as resources to help them, and they don't know the questions to ask. And really, if you don't know the question to ask, then your problem is much more difficult because it's not really something that you can tell someone else and convey to them and allow them to help you. I began working as a LiveHelp operator in 2012. I had actually just graduated from law school a few months previously. I was waiting for the results of the bar exam, and I was looking for something to do as far as pro bono work, and I saw the LiveHelp operator position on the Illinois Pro Bono website, and I went, and the rest is history. Being a LiveHelp operator entails essentially helping visitors to the Illinois Legal Aid Online website. So what will generally happen is that a visitor will come to the website, they'll have some type of legal issue, whether it's divorce, child custody, bankruptcy, foreclosure, landlord-tenant disputes, real estate disputes, estates and trusts, and they can scan the website and look for articles. But if they want to have someone help them directly, they can speak to one of the LiveHelp operators and we'll assist them. And try to just give them not necessarily advice, but information as to their legal problems to try to help them out. Justice means that people are treated fairly. So that means that the parties to a dispute, there's usually some sort of dispute if you're practicing law, both have an equal opportunity to have their case heard and for it to be adjudicated on its merits in a fair manner. And that fair manner means that they both have access to proper information, they both have access to proper counsel, and of course they both have access to all of the instruments of the courts to see that the process is carried out smoothly. My first impression of Illinois Legal Aid Online was at the meeting that was held downtown, in which we were told what a LiveHelp operator does. And luckily for me, the person who gave that meeting was Stacy. And really, you couldn't really have a more positive introduction to Illinois Legal Aid Online because she just made the point that regardless of how much time you spend, you're making a contribution. And so a small contribution is better than no contribution. I think that's a very good thing because it doesn't discourage people from doing something. Because I think part of the reason that more people don't volunteer is because they think it's too onerous of a burden and it takes too much time. But when you're presented with the case that Stacy presented, that just even any small contribution is valuable, then that's a good thing. Helping other people. Simple as that.